Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new Galaxy Watch 5, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this thing. So anyway, I just pop it straight open. Yeah, so there is our watch. Honestly, it's a little bit smaller than I expected. What is the size of this? I can't even find this actual size, but this does have apparently a 1.4-inch display. It's a Super AMOLED display. It's running a Android Wear OS 3.5, which is on top of that we have the One UI Watch 4.5 Samsung skin. And in terms of internals right here, we have 1.5 gigs of RAM. It's running on Exynos W920, has 410 milliamp hour battery, and 10 watt Qi charging, so you can wirelessly charge it. And yes, obviously wirelessly charging it. We have the little charging pad. I am wondering if I can charge it on the normal charging pad, so I'm gonna try it. I do have one under the table, though it's a little bit off camera, so I'm just gonna try to place it. Nope, it's not really charging. Anyway, and continuing on. What else is there to actually say? We have a display, 450 pixels bar 450 pixels. And that's basically all the worth mentioning aspects of this little watch. It also comes with a built-in eSIM, so you can obviously pair it up with some kind of, like, if you have an eSIM card, and you can just ditch the phone and do everything on the watch itself if you want to. So keep in mind the display is really small. This is something that would fit really well on my wrist, which is, as you can see, petite size, let's call it that way. But yeah, now the price, it comes at around 350 euros. So there we go, that's basically all there is to say about this watch. I'm not gonna go to the setup just because I don't really have the app downloaded or want to, so yeah, there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.